After 3 months of work on our senior capstone project, we successfully published the paper about recycled coarse aggregate concrete in Asian Journal of Civil Engineering. With the help, support and welcome environment that our professors provided for us, we were able to reach this milestone and be recognized internationally. This achievement is a great example of how AUIS helps students to unlock their full potential. AUIS is ranked as one of the top universities among Iraq. And the main focus here is on leadership, student growth, and high quality of education.
In our paper, we have developed some equations to predict the compressive strength of concrete. Our main focus was on recycled coarse aggregate because it has some environmental benefits, like it reduces the cost of concrete. Our main focus was to use recycled coarse aggregate to reduce waste material in the environment and conserve natural resources. It also reduced the cost of concrete in Kurdistan.